Welcome to Chapter 6, VLSM and CIDR. In this chapter, you will learn about variable length subnet mask, classless interdomain routing, and the importance of these techniques. Variable length subnet mask is an extension of subnetting, that is, subnetting a subnet. Network professionals can use VLSM to design different networks having variable lengths. The subnetting is performed based on the required number of hosts in a network or based on the required number of subnetworks. This technique greatly reduces the wastage of IP addresses. I'm sure you're interested to know more about these two techniques. Let's start with VLSM. This chart indicates network address 10.0.0/8. This address space can be divided into multiple subnets by borrowing more bits from the host portion. The second column indicates the subnets obtained as a result of borrowing 8 more bits from the host portion, which results in a prefix notation /16. Or in other words, it represents a network with subnet mask 255.255.0.0. Each of these 256 subnets in the second column can be further divided into any number of subnets based on the requirement for a particular network design. Here, the third column gives 256 subnets for 10.1.0.0 subnet in the second column. The same process can be done for every subnet in the second column. Now, let's have a brief overview on what is CIDR. Classless interdomain routing helps users configure a supernet route. Look at the sample network in the diagram. We have 6 different subnets to the left of router B. To forward a packet to each of these networks, a route entry is required in router A. CIDR helps summarize these 6 entries into a single route entry, thus saving the routing table space and making the routing process more efficient. The process of summarizing these routes is called route summarization. It starts with binary representation for all network addresses to be summarized. Here you can see the binary representation for all the given subnets in the network diagram seen earlier. Next step in CIDR is to determine bits that are common for all these subnets starting from the left. In this example, we see that the first 13 bits are common for all the subnets. Thus, the network can be summarized as 172.16.0.0/13, where the network address is 172.16.0.0 and the mask is 255.248.0.0. I hope these examples have been useful to you in understanding VLSM and CIDR, the importance of these two techniques, and how these two techniques work.